Hi, I'm Mustafa. Today I'm going to be making a logo for my barber. Let's see how things go. First of all, the sketch. So, the idea for the logo that I was making is basically to make it like this. We have an arch, and then we have the aim, which is like A, I, M. A, I, M here. And then the ant is the tip of the arrow. And the cut is like these are scissors, aim, and the cut is like this. I I'm really gonna need to fix this. Alright, so to start off, I'm going to delete this. So I started with adding the scissors, and then I added the C, U, and T, shrunk them down a bit, fixed the curve, fixed the width a bit. Then I made the arc. I used the Bezier curve, made sure everything was looking fine. Then I added the and, fixed the arc, added the aim, fixed the aim, and that was mostly it. Alright, this is the final result that I got. I'm going to export it and I'll use it as the blueprint. So I have Blender opened up, create new, close this. So I imported the image as a plane. Cleared the rotation and started working. I used the knife tool, but then I quickly realized that it was going to be way too long, so I kinda gave up and tried switching to normals instead. That didn't work either. I don't think this is going to work. Ah, great. Back to the knife tool. So, after a painstakingly long amount of time, and lots, and lots of errors, I was finally able to finish it. Too much errors, like the following footage is basically errors only. And after dealing with so much errors, I decided to separate the bow and mirror it. It was way easier. Then I went back to fixing some problems, and that was all. It's all cleaned up now. And the final touch, Control 1. The hell? No! So after all of that, I had to fix the subdivision. It didn't take too long, but it was still quite annoying. But at the end it looks quite nice. Of course we don't have the rest. Alt H. After that I needed to work with the letters, which were not hard, but at the same time were very annoying. I had to align them one by one so that they like fit the specifications, but it worked at the end. This is the logo. I like it. After that I decided that I should have added some depth, cleaned the mesh up, added some depth right after finishing with the shading. It bugged out a bit, but it turned out nice. I then added a cube, scaled it down a bit. The thing that I wanted to make was like a small base plate that's wooden that would contrast really well with the metal, which is why I made it that way in the footage right next to it. For the base plate, I added a queue and I added a bit of beveling to make the cube look more nice. Then I went on Google, searched for a bit of wood. I chose this one, it looked glossy, it looked from the top. I made it, I gave it like a good amount of clear coat, put some scratches on there, and then proceeded to I positioned the camera and then we were done. I'll be putting the results at the end of the video and I'll see you later.